Welcome to Brainbox. In this video, we'll discuss about fertilization. Previous videos we discussed that male reproductive system and female reproductive systems. So the male system will be released one gamete, female system will be released the gamete. So now the real process of called fertilization. We'll see the fertilization now. Fertilization means fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gametes. Gametes are fused and form zygote. So that means the zygote is the initial step of actual reproduction. Initial step of actual reproduction. Reproductive process. You can say that reproductive process. So we will see that how that zygote will be formed. First we draw here male sperm. We know that male is produced at gamete, sperm, and female is produced at egg, ova. So both are carrying nucleus. So the ova is carry female character, parent characters, and male parent characters carried by sperm. So these two are fused. We know that a single ejaculation, 300 millions of sperms are released. So in the 300 millions of sperms, finally it will be travel to reach the area. That area is called, it is happened here in the oviduct region. The fertilization will be occur here. Fertilization will be occur here. How? The female ova will be released here. This ova travel into this region and the male sperm release here, the single ejaculation. This one travel to reach this area. Okay, so enter the process, the migration. We know that 300 millions. In that, finally it reach here 50 number, 50 number. In that, one will be selected. That selected one will be fused with this female one. We know that only one ova release per month. This ova travel in this area of oviduct. This area is called ampulla region. This region is called ampulla. Okay. So finally it produce, here it will be fused together, male and female, it produce zygote. Male and female fused together produce zygote. So this is the female nucleus, male nucleus. Finally produce zygote. Zygote is the initial step of reproduction. From here onwards, that embryo develop, embryo to new individual. Right here, zygote contains both parents characters. So these characters will become one and in a single individual. A simple process of end of fertilization, the structure zygote develop embryo and it develops into new offspring or new individual which carry both parent characters. Okay, we'll see now types of fertilization. First one, internal fertilization. Eggs fused, that means gametes fused inside female reproductive system, that is called internal fertilization. Whatever we are discussing these things, it is completely in the internal, considered as internal fertilization. Example, human and hen, dog, cow, everything will come. External fertilization. Gametes fused outside the body. This is called external fertilization. Example, frog, fish. You can also say that starfish and everything. So this is the fertilization and types. So this is the content. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you.